Hello everyone, I'm Divya, your math facilitator. So, as you all know, we have launched our own app, and the name of the app is Math Facilitator. I'll give you the link of this app in the description box below. If anyone is new and if you don't know that we have launched this app, then do download the app firstly. And let me tell you what are the important things which we are doing in this app. So, we have launched a couple of courses for class 10. Okay, so the response was really good. Students were interested in it, but many students, I got many requests saying that, ma'am, why don't you reduce the course free because we cannot pay so much. And that was one query. The other query was some students wanted to try the course first because their parents wanted to see the course first, as parents were thinking that already they have online classes in their school and students are learning from YouTube, so what is the necessary for another course in an app. So let me make this clear for you. Okay, so at these 2-3 minutes, this is a very short video, only 2-3 minutes. In these 2-3 minutes, I'll tell you what are we going to do here. Okay, so for all the queries, I came up with an answer. Okay, if price is an issue, and if the issue is like what is the use of an extra online class, so I'll tell you what is the use of it. So if price is a issue, I have launched a course for 60 rupees, the minimum price, the lowest in the market price, 60 rupees. I have launched a course. Okay, so do purchase this course. Now I'll tell you why you have to purchase this course. Firstly, listen to this, and then only if you feel it is really good, then you go and purchase the course, because you'll definitely feel it is good. Let me tell you the details of the course. So this in this course, in this particular course, I'm going to give you live classes, practice sets, PDF notes, doubt clearing session. You all will have, and you'll have a mock test, and also you can see the live classes unlimited times. You can see the live classes. Okay, you can see the recorded classes. Suppose if you miss out attending a live class, you can see the same class as a recorded class. Or if you miss out, like, if you miss out understanding a point, you can see the classes number of times. There are 4 months for your board exams, so once the course ends also, you can see the recorded classes again and again whenever you want to revise this chapter, right? So that is one benefit of this. And the classes are live, which will help you to interact with me. Okay, ask your doubts then and there. And also you have a separate doubt clearing session. Okay, so wherein I will tell you, if you have any doubts, you can directly contact me, and then we'll have a complete clearance of the doubt then and there. Okay, so now I'll tell you the second query of parents is, why should we take this course when we are already having online classes and when we are having our YouTube classes, right? So online classes and YouTube classes, in YouTube we cannot individually concentrate on each and every student. Okay, so even if we are taking live sessions, still we cannot concentrate on the students. Wherever you are learning from YouTube, it is a different platform, right? And if you don't understand this difference, I'll tell you one more tip where you can understand this difference between the YouTube class and the app class. YouTube is definitely good. I don't say that YouTube is bad. YouTube is definitely 100% good. But in this moment, all these days, we have been learning from different sources. That is really good. We have been utilizing our resources. But now the point is, when your board exams are arriving, you have only 4 months, and when you don't have your school regular classes in your school, so just understand what is the situation of the learning which is happening. So are you all on the right track? To test this, to test whether you are on the right track or not, whether your children are on the right track or not, whether how is their learning going on. So I have kept a free test in the app. Okay, so you can simply download the app and you can attend the test. The test is free. You can go to practice now section, and you can attend the test. So then you'll understand what is your preparation level. Can you attempt your board exams with these resources which you are having all these days? Can you attempt the board exams with this learning, with these resources? So you can analyze and you can think by yourself, right? Because on YouTube what happens is, we see one video, and we immediately, it's a human mentality, we tend to see another video, right? So this wastes lot of time. Now we don't have time. All these days we don't have schools, right? So all our children are not even on the right track. Studies learning is not happening properly. So now even in these last 4 months, if you're not concentrating, and especially if we are not concentrating for our board exams, then there are chances that we don't give our best in our board exams, though you might be a brilliant student. But then if the learning is not proper, then always it's a risky task, right? So now let me tell you how I help you to make your learning perfect. So as I told you, I'll just explain this mini course. So in this mini course itself, you'll understand what are the different things which you can learn. The same chapter, now I have taken sixth chapter here, which is your chapter 2. Okay, so this particular chapter, if you are learning in YouTube, you will see the video, you will learn, okay, very well and good. But then the learning is stopping there. I don't want you all to stop your learning there. So what happens here in the course is, we have our classes, we have a doubt clearing session. Wherever you have doubt, you can ask us, and all the doubts will be cleared in the doubt clearing session. You have practice test also, because max, just by listening, we will not be getting max. You listen and you understand, you feel that you got all the problems, but no, unless and until you take a pen and paper, you practice it, you will not get it, right? So practice sets are really important. And then mock test. Now what is the purpose of test? Madam, why should I take test? I understood this chapter is very simple. Why should I take a test? Now the first point I just told you, take a pre-test. Okay, I told you there is one free test in the app, so you can take that test, and I named that test as pre-test. Okay, so you can go to the app and check this. In practice now session, you can find the test by name pre-test. Now what is this pre-test? Now I just wanted you to analyze whatever you have learned all these months. Okay, from June to December, whatever you have learned, simply you can analyze and you can see what is your learning and what else can you do to improve your learning. Okay, in which topics are you comfortable, which topics you have to work hard. So all these things you can analyze using this pre-test. Okay, so do attend this test to know how much you have learned all these days, right? So now this mock test also works the same way. Now you have attended classes, you have practiced the problems whichever I'm giving you, and I also give you notes regarding to this chapter. I give you one formula sheet. Okay, whatever formulas you have in this chapter, I'll list out them separately and give you. I'll also give you mind map. Like, if you just look at that one page of mind map, you will understand, okay, in this chapter these are the topics which I can revise, which I should revise, and these are the topics, okay, which I have studied. Okay, so in within 5 minutes you'll have a quick revision of the entire chapter if you see these notes, right? So that is what I'm going to do, so that even after the course, before your examinations, you can just simply revise the chapters. Because let me tell you, we all forget things. That is human nature. We all forget things, we all keep forgetting. You might have revised the chapter, but then we forget. So in order to remember, notes are really important, and which I'm going to provide it here. And so once you take the test, so you will understand whether the course was useful for you or not. Okay, so definitely this test will help you to analyze which topics are you perfect in and which topics you have to work hard. So having a test is really important, right? And as I told you, the notes which I'm going to provide you will help not only now, but even before your board exams. You can simply see the notes and revise. Okay, so that's what you can do. And you can also revise, you can see the classes also before your board exams, because I'm giving you unlimited recorded classes. Just before your board exams also, you can just go through all the videos to have a complete revision. Now why I'm suggesting this? Because all the students are at their home, so the motivation to study is also very low, right? So here we motivate them to study, here we help them to study along with us, right? So now all these points whichever I told you, you might not find it in YouTube. In YouTube you'll only find the teacher teaching you, but all these extra benefits which are really needed, because now it's the need of the hour. Now you're going to write your board exams. Each day which is passing through is really important. because one day is each day you're getting closer to your board exams. So take the pre-test. You take this pre-test, you will understand how much you have prepared and how much you have to prepare, and you'll understand the importance of whatever resources you are having. Are these resources helping you in a proper way or not? Right? So if you're not, if you don't want to purchase this course, then it's not at all a problem. You can always do it. I have come up with this because I know many students now the students who are watching this video also, some 84 or 85 students have already attempted this pre-test, and let me tell you, the average grade which all the students average grade they got is D grade, which is really shocking for me. And that is the reason I have come up with this mini course, because the students are not able to understand the real importance of learning properly in a structured manner. All these days what has happened is happened. Now when you are very near to your board exams, now at least it is time to be really serious, right? And so this D grade will not at all help us. It's not going to help us. So now if we are getting D grade, then in examination hall with all the tension, with so many subjects, what are we going to do? That's the question which every student has to put to himself or herself, right? So let me give you a taste of what are the courses. So that is a thought which I got, and hence I came up with the 60 rupee course, so that at least students get to know what is the difference between these classes and how will they learn the chapter. So once you complete this chapter, you will understand that okay, so I have completed the chapter perfectly, and I am ready to revise the chapter whenever I want. All the notes which we are giving you, all the recorded classes which we are giving you will help you to revise whenever you want, and you'll have all these things accumulated. You don't have to search again and again. You don't have to search and waste your time, right? So many benefits we have here, and all these, each and every benefit which I'm telling you are really important in these 4 months, because we never know when our board exams will start, and the timetable is not yet given. But still there is a confirmation that you'll definitely have your board exams, because CBSE also announced that you're going to have your board exams from May, right? So which means our TS and Telangana and Andhra Pradesh will also have board exams. We cannot escape from our exams, right? So I just want you to help out with this. So because many students, they were not able to understand the difference, they were not able to take up the seriousness of learning. So just take the pre-test. You will understand by yourself what you have to do next. Okay, so if you don't want to take up this course, it's okay, but study from somewhere else. Study from somewhere else. Just browsing in YouTube will not help you in these last 4 months. It was good from starting, but now in these last 4 months, extra effort is definitely needed, and we cannot afford to waste any time. You cannot afford to keep searching. You cannot afford to spend so much of screen time, right? So if you have things accumulated, now it's time, like you should have things accumulated, and you should, your only aim should be like revising it, revising it, revising it. That's it. You should not keep searching for the material now. It's not the time. I hope you understand this, and this pretest will help you to understand where is your level of learning. And I have come up with a 60 rupees course, so that even every student, every single student should be able to afford the 60 rupees. Okay, and the students who are having query, and the parents who are having query, like what is it different from, you parents also can have a check, they can have a look. Even students can have a look and see what is the course all about. So how are we going to handle you in the course? What are we going to provide you, and what are the benefits which you're getting? So that you will definitely find the difference. And once you enroll to this course, you will definitely find a huge difference between your learning, and you will feel, oh my god, so I was going in the wrong way. So this is what I have to do, because schools have not really opened, and we really need to be serious on this. No one is going to help us. We should help ourselves, right? So on this note, I wish you all a very very best of luck. So I want you all to plan your goals right now. I have been telling you this because I know your board exams are arriving. I got the exam date. I have been insisting you to be serious, but still I see many students now, 84 88 students, they are getting D grade, which is a huge shock for me. So that is the reason I came up with the 60 rupees course, so that at least now you will try what it is, what is the difference, and where are you, and where and what is your goal, and what do you want to do actually. So at least if you're not interested to buy this course, then no, don't buy it. But at least be serious on your studies. D grade will not at all help you. Come on, be serious. So study from somewhere else who gives you the entire material, so where you don't have to waste your time searching for the content, for the material. Yes, so because this is not the right time for to do all these things, right? So all the 6 7 months which we had was the time to do, but not now. So I hope you all understand. Show this video to your parents also. I suggest the students not to decide for yourself, because we are not so big that we decide for ourselves. Show this video to your parents also. You also think on yourself. Think whether whatever you're doing is correct or not. Take a pretest. You will understand how much you have learned also, right? So I hope this will be helpful for you. And the link of the app I'll give you in the description box, and the link of this course also I'll give you in the description box. You can just click on the link and download the app. Okay, so I'll meet you tomorrow, right? Tomorrow 4:30. So till then, I wish you all a very best of luck. But on a serious note, I want all my students to be really serious about your studies. Think about your studies now. Fun time is gone. There is no fun time. There is no time for you all to waste. Come, let's be serious. Let's achieve our goals. Thank you.